Good morning. For the first time on Facebook, I've been trolled. A friend of mine emailed me and told me that this person was trolling them. Yesterday, I had responded to a friend. It was a political thing, and they got trolled by this person. Then I got trolled by this person. Russian bot, I don't know. But here's how to block someone from your Facebook that you don't want to see their post or you don't want to be on your Facebook page anymore. So I walk you through it step by step, and hopefully you don't ever need this. But if you do, here it is. Okay, I'm going to show you how to block trolls from your Facebook page. First thing you want to do, of course, is get on Facebook. Then once you're on Facebook, you want to go to your home screen and just click there on home, and that'll bring this up. Then you want to scroll over to the arrow, the drop down arrow right there. Click once. Now you're going to scroll down to settings. Click once. And once you're on settings, you're going to go to blocking. Click once. Once you're there on blocking, you'll go ahead and add the name right there. We're going to do troll block. And this message, they'll come up with suggestions that they have for that name. Go ahead and click, and then you'll click block. And you get this message saying you're no longer going to be able to see anything from your timeline. They can't tag you, invite you to groups or events, start a conversation, or add you as a friend. Also, blocking them will unfriend this person. So you want to go ahead and block. Okay, and you'll see here it'll show up here under the blocked users. And that's all there is to it. Then when you go back to your timeline, that person's not going to be there at all. So I hope that helps you, and take care and have a great day. Bye.